Hello students, welcome back to the class. Last classes we have discussed about, in last class, equality and essential features of equality. In this topic we have discussed about equality is an idea of social change and essential for social justice and liberty. Equality is one of the essential for social justice and equality. So we have discussed that how. In this class we will discuss about two important point. This will be the last point. Social distinctions can be based upon public utility. And equality does not imply literal equality. What is meant by that? So, here first the concept of equality and inequalities are mainly originated from the political theory. We already know that Aristotle stated that revolutions are mainly occurred all over the world due to the inequality concept. Okay, and inequalities are quite common naturally. Complete equalities are not possible, but in political term equality means equality of law, equal protection of law. Social distinction means differences can be based upon public utility. Unequal treatment are not resented in the society, in which case the unequal treatments are not resented by the society. If the gifted persons, you can find sometime gifted persons are nothing but the people who are very intelligent and very talented. So I already said you in the last point also, there are some gifted peoples who have a natural ability, who have a good talent. So in what they will do is, the people who have a gifted persons and who have the natural quality, they will exploit others. Okay, they will try to exploit the others. So the people who have a natural capacity and natural capability, they will occupy a very higher position and they will utilize their positions to exploit the others. So this is also one type of inequality. As long as authority, power and division of labor, whenever the division of labors are there, the division of labors must be division based upon the reasonable ground. Rational ground means based upon the reasons. Whenever the workers are divided based upon the reasonable ground. So authority and division of labor should be given based upon the reasonable labor. Okay, and next one, inequality of status and positions will become objectionable. So okay, that will become objectionable means which will be quietly unpleasant and offensive. So here, whenever there are some other cases, we can find that what are the other cases means inequality of status and positions will become objectionable. Okay, so here we have seen that social distinctions can be based upon public utility. Unequal treatment sometime will be not resented by the society in some cases. This is one cases where the gifted peoples are the people who have the natural ability, who are highly intelligent or who are highly talented. They will occupy the various positions and they will try to exploit others. So authority and division of labor, whenever the authority means what, power, and division of labor must be according to the reasonable manner, must be based upon the rational ground. Okay, whenever authority and power, when it is based upon the reasonable manner, then okay, but inequality of status and position sometime will become objectionable, sometime the people will object it. So this is one point. So this is one case. In second case, equality does not imply literal equality. Children's equality implies only that equal opportunities will be provided based upon the qualifications, qualities as well as capacity. Okay, every person, if they have a capacity, opportunity will be provided. But equality does not imply outcome. Everybody will get same income. Equality, I have never said, equality does not mean that all the people will get same outcomes. Okay, so that is one point. So equality demands the progressive and the reduction of inequality. So equality is what they demand, progressive. So everybody should go forward, and equalities also demand that inequalities must be decreases. So this is one point. So equality never implies literal equality. Equality in the sense based upon the quality, based upon your qualification, based upon the capacity. Okay, opportunities will be given. Okay, equal opportunities will be given to all the people according to the quality, according to your qualification, according to your personal capacity. Okay, equality does not resemble that everybody will get same outcomes. Okay, everybody will get same outcomes, that is not possible. Okay, due to the heavy capacity, different capacity, outcomes are also will be different. For example, businessman have a good capacity, his outcomes will be different. Okay, when you are comparing it with teachers and lecturers, their outcomes are different. So based upon the capacity, capability, outcomes are quite different, but never the equality mentioned that outcomes, okay, never they have mentioned equality in outcomes. Okay, person equality resembles only the person will be provided opportunities according to the qualification, capacity equally, whatever the caste, whatever the religion, or whatever the culture they are following, all the people will be treated equally. Okay, equal opportunities will be provided to all the people, opportunities in the form of jobs. Everybody are eligible to appear. So if they possess same qualification, whatever the whatever, if they have a capacity, etc. So it will provide opportunities to all the people according to the capacity, qualification, etc. But equality never mention the everybody will get same outcomes. Equality states and demands progressive development and reduction of inequality. Equality also demands that inequalities must be reduces. This is one point. Okay. So this is one point. So what we have discussed, once again we will go through. First I have explained you about the introduction of equality. Equality and this concept is a very important in political science. These are mainly originated from the various political theories, equality concept, and Aristotle is the father of political science, who states that okay, inequalities are mainly responsible for different type of revolution. Okay, and equalities plays a very important role. They have inspired many people, okay, of various countries like France, America, okay, even Russia as well as India. Next, first in the last class, equality definitions. Equality implies equality before law and equal protection of law. Okay, when you are talking about the meaning and definition, both are similar. Equality means equal, everybody are equal before law and equal protection of law, that is about equality. Now in the last class we have discussed about the 4 points as a feature of equality. First one, equality has a claim of right. Equality is a modern idea. Okay, this equality was not prevalent in the ancient time, but in the modern age the equality idea have started gaining. Equality is an idea of social change. If you wanted to change the society, equality plays very important role. This is the best idea, and equality is very essential for social justice as well as liberty. If you wanted to provide justice as well as liberty, equality is important. In the last class we have discussed also that liberty and equality both are interrelated and interdependent. Now in this new points we have discussed social distinction, differences can be based upon public utility. Here sometimes we can find unequal treatments. Unequal treatments are not resented in the society. In certain cases we can find the gifted and the talented peoples who are highly intelligent, they will try to exploit others by using their positions. Okay, as long as the authority and power and division of labor, division and power of labor must be based upon the reasonable ground. Whenever the divisions and power of labor, when it is not based upon the reasonable ground, then other section of the society will object it. Okay, normally when according to the capacity, when the people are getting positions, nobody will object, but without having any capacity, when the people acquires any positions, then most of the people will object it. So here if you see same thing, authority, whenever if you are distributing a power and when we are dividing a labor also, whenever if you are distributing and division of labor, that should be based upon reasonable ground. Rational ground means that should be based upon reasonable ground. What will happen when the authority and the power and division of labor, when it is not based upon the reasonable ground or scientific ground, what will happen? Other section of the society will object it. Oppositions will start. So inequality of status and positions will become objectionable. So that is one point. In this point we have discussed that equality resembles only equality, but equality never mention literal equality. Literal equality means equality of outcomes or any condition. Equality of outcome, that is a literal equality. Equality implies that equal opportunities will be provided according to the personal capacity as well as qualification, etc. But equality never states that equality of outcomes. Equality have never resembled that equality of outcomes. Equality have demanded that there should be a progressive and the reduction of inequalities must be decreased. So that is one part. So in this class we have completed the features of equality. Equality is very new concept, and in the future effort is very important to remove the inequalities in the society. Okay, already children, we have discussed that inequalities, okay, in the form of caste or whatever the inequalities are there, slowly, as soon as when we are going towards the modern age, new ideas were developed, and these ideas plays a very important role for decreasing the inequality. In the future, as soon as when we are going towards more future in the modern age, inequalities completely will be extinct. It will be disappears from the society. So human effort, human ideas are very important, okay, to remove the inequalities from the society. Human efforts and human ideas are very important. So children, we have completed about the features of equality. In the next lesson, we will discuss about what are the various kinds of equality. Okay, thank you very much. We will meet you in the next class, children. Okay, thank you.